Just giving a quick update here from Minot on shipment of my Starlink system. It has shipped, it is moving, it's in California still. Um, Thinking there might be a chance it might not get on the truck once it does arrive on Saturday in Minot. So I think I'm just going to go up to the FedEx distribution center where they load the trucks and see if I can't arrange just to pick it up directly rather than potentially miss a truck and not have the Starlink until early next week. So that way I can spend some time with it, do an unboxing, do an installation, do a test, provide reviews, answer questions, and everything over the weekend. I don't want to wait any longer than I have to. So I'm going to try to make it happen, for everybody so that we can all check it out and get this thing up and running. Um, Pretty excited. I hope you guys are all excited to see what it has to offer, what's in store, what it can really be and do. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. That's kind of the next thing on the list here. It may just take, hopefully not an extra day. I'll do whatever I can um, to get that going over the weekend. So a lot more time to spend with it. Just wanted to say one quick update before closing up for the night, and make sure if you don't want to miss my updates, click the subscribe button, like the videos, comments, questions. Of course, I'll answer those as much as I can, quick as I can. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.